Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to add another account on Snapchat. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play. Click your avatar icon at the top right or your account on Apple ID. Click on apps, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just start looking for Snapchat. Double check if your Snapchat needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and open up the Snapchat. And as you can see right here, I've logged out from the Snapchat. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to click use another account and start adding the email, username or phone, or you can add a password. So mainly after you log out from Snapchat, you're gonna be able to add another account and you're gonna be able to use it or swipe left or right to see the another account and just see the blue button log in, and just basically you'll be able to log in again. So basically Snapchat allows to add more than one account and you'll be able to see the multiple accounts that you have on your Snapchat. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.